58 Impala. Convertible. Man, there's some cash in here. Look at that, what a beauty. What do y'all think about that? Look down through there. 57 Chevy sitting down there. T-Bird, Mustang, 56 convertible. I don't know what this thing right here is. Quick changer in it. Some kind of kit car. Look at there. Continental kit on that one. Look at that, how pretty. I don't know what that is right there. Quick changer in sticking out. So you see the front. Badge, there's that black 57. Ain't them pretty? Can't see them all. Look down there. There's over $1 million worth of cars sitting in there. You all better look. 56 Chevy convertible. Well, it's Diecast Dave here. I'm gonna show y'all this week's flea market picking I did, and I found some pretty good stuff. Pretty good stuff, you like them. First one was a green light GL Muscle 69 Chevrolet Yenko Copo Nova. Tempted to crack it, but I'm not going to. It's too pretty. Green lights make a great casting. Headlights and everything. That's a beauty right there. I wish they made a 73 Nova diecast so I could customize one like the first car I ever had. Ain't that a beauty? I like it a lot. Next is one of the fast wagons. Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture, a 64 Nova, Chevy Nova panel. Thrill Riders. It'd make a great looking custom. I love the steely wheels on it. They make all Hot Wheels this much detail. Tail lights, chrome bumpers, chrome underneath, Rail Riders. That's about the only one of the fast wagons I really like. Everything's few and far between around here. My neck of the woods. Right now, you about have to go to flea market to get anything. You might luck up and find a little bit of main lines here and there. Next one at the flea market, got pretty good deals on these too. I believe I paid less than what you'd pay in the store for them. This is the M2 machined auto drivers. The Zex 69 Chevrolet Camaro SSRS. It's purple. I think Zex is that nitrous oxide company. It's got anodized purple velocity stacks on the chrome engine, chrome 5-spoke wheels, Goodyear Rail Rider tires. Ain't that pretty? Yeah. You know it is. Hand's a little bit shaky. Heart needs a tune up. It's been making me jittery here lately. It don't beat right. Think I need a tune up and a new set of plugs. I'll give you a close up look at this. That is a beautiful, beautiful casting. I love those rims. Kind of remind me of Keystones or Craggers from back in the day. I love that one. Next is a Johnny Lightning. Class of 71. 71 Chevelle SS 454. Blue metal flake. Factory wheels. Real rider white leather tires. Vinyl top. Bike interior. White mean streaks down the hood and the trunk. Tail lights and all. Get that glare off. I had a 78 Malibu after I graduated high school. In 87, I had 86. Almost brand new Camaro engine in it. And it would fly. Could roast the tires off of it. Looked up and found this one. Didn't think I was going to find anything. And went to poking around and looked up. Next is the Johnny Lightning Class of 71. 71 Ford Torino Cobra. Yellow with the yellow and black stripes. Black hood with hood pins. And a dark green 71. Had a 302 Boss in it, 3-speed in the floor. The only exhaust it had was exhaust manifolds. I got scared the bejesus out of people standing on the road and I went by. It's pretty quick. I called it the Batmobile. Dark green with the greenish yellow snakeskin stripe on the side. I traded a 75 Dodge pickup with a built 318 with the 68 340J heads, intake, and cam. It'd been ported and polished. Triangle valve job. Nitrous oxide. Had some fun stuff that nitrous is. I ended up burning a valve up with it. Fuel got lean on me. Traded off. That's a nice detail casting there. Yeah, I know it's a Ford, but these last three of the second batch of the 53rd anniversary, I've almost got them all. I ain't particularly fond of the color. This is a 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. That metal flake dark orange, 53 livery on the side, black 5-spoke wheels with the blue-green rims, chrome shaker hood. And I saw where the 2002s are going to be like a satin black with pink accents. I don't know why. custom right there. I think it's kind of funky paint job. But I'm trying to get the set. I almost got them all. I just need a few more. I think I just need 2 more. Now I think this is a chase, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. No, this is a Project Speeder. The Gazelle is the chase. I don't have it. I don't actually know what kind of car this is. I guess it's a fantasy. Same color, same livery, chrome engine, blue-green rimmed. It almost looks like a factory Mopar rim like I had on the 76 Charger I had. Ain't much on the fantasy castings. I think these will make great customs. The last one I got is my 53rd anniversary. The 69 Ford Torino Talladega. Same color, same livery. Got some really nice 5-spoke black wheels with the blue-green edge. Kind of wide tires. In the back, chrome base. Be another good one for custom. Chrome base. And don't look too bad, I guess. For a Ford. That's all I got for today. Catch you on the flip side.